You are organizing an executive event for the company you work for. Write a letter to the person in charge of a venue that you are considering for the event and ask for detailed information regarding dates, services, and costs. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to inquire about the possibility of hosting our company's executive event at your esteemed venue. We are impressed by the amenities and services offered by Pearl Continental Hotel and believe it would be an ideal location for our gathering. Could you please provide us with detailed information regarding the following? Availability. What dates are available for our event, and do you have any flexibility with regard to scheduling? Services. What catering options do you offer, and can you provide audiovisual equipment and technical support? Costs. What are the rental fees for the venue, and are there any additional charges for services or equipment? We anticipate approximately 80 guests and require a venue that can accommodate our needs for 3 hours. It would be helpful to know if you have any packages or promotions that could suit our requirements. I would appreciate it if you could also provide us with some references or testimonials from previous clients, as well as any relevant certifications or awards. Thank you for your time and assistance. I look forward to hearing back from you soon. Best regards, Salim.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for latest updates. Best of luck on your IELTS journey.